Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, guys. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, what is HashMap or linked HashMap in Java collection framework, guys. So first of all, we will discuss about HashMap, guys. So this question may ask you in interview room. Okay, so what is HashMap class? It is a HashMap class. It is HashMap is a class, guys. Okay, HashMap is a class and it is the child class of map interface. It is the child class of map interface which will represent group of key value pair elements, which will represent a group of key value pair elements as a single entity. Okay, heterogeneous keys and values both are allowed. Both are allowed. Null key only allow once, but null values are allowed a number of times. Yes. Insertion order not maintained because it use hash code, because of this hash code. Okay, insertion order not maintained, guys. What is this hash code? So we will discuss. Okay, after some time. So we will take one example for this. So default initial capacity is 16 and fill ratio or load factor maintain as 0.75, guys. Okay, all the methods of this class are non-synchronized, guys. Okay, non-synchronized, it means multi-threaded. Okay, whenever frequent action is searching, we should go for HashMap class, guys. Okay, whenever in our project frequent action is searching, so we can go for this HashMap class, guys. Generally used in cache based application, guys. Okay, so whenever, okay, cache memory is the one of the fastest memory. Okay, fastest memory in our system, guys. So whenever we have to use, okay, or whenever we have to write cache based application, so we can go for this class, guys. Okay, so now we will see one example for this. So now I will say hashmap, hashmap, and now its a default initial capacity will be 16. Okay, it will maintain default initial capacity as 16. Hashmap and hm. Okay, and now we can say hm dot put. Okay, there is a one method put. Okay, so this is called entry. Okay, we are writing one entry. So for this, like for example, suppose I said, okay, like 31. Okay, 31 is equals to Nagpur. Okay, hm dot put. Okay, like for example 55 is equals to, like for example I said Pune, and like 50 is equals to, suppose I said Mumbai. Okay, and like for example suppose I said 10 as a Chandrapur, 10 as a Chandrapur. And now, okay, duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, heterogeneous keys are not, duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, we can write one point here. Okay, so duplicate keys are not allowed. You can say duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, but duplicate values are allowed. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed. Okay, so now if I try to insert duplicate key, so now on the place of Chandrapur, okay, so suppose I write Vardha, so now on the place of Chandrapur, it will overwrite this value, guys. Okay, duplicate, it will not insert duplicate key, but on the place of old value, okay, it will replace new value. And now we can see S out. Okay, I check run 5. You will see, guys, so insertion order it will not maintain. You can see, okay, we inserted 50 50 Mumbai, okay, as a third entry. So now, but you can see, guys, so it will become as a first entry. Okay, now on the place of Chandrapur, okay, it will overwrite Varda. You can see, guys, you can see. Okay, duplicate key not going to allow. Suppose I write 10.5, it is a heterogeneous key. Okay, because we have this 3 integer key and this one is a double. Okay, but still it will allow us. Null key and null values both are allowed. Okay, null key, okay, and like null value, null key and null value both are allowed. Okay, so in this way You can see guys, null key is equals to null and so on guys. Got it guys? So now what is this hash code? Use hash code. Okay, so now you can see use hash code for key elements guys. Use hash code for key elements. Okay, so now let's say I write a class. Okay, and the class I write a133, and for a133 I write one data member n, and then this for a133 class I write one constructor, and I will say to this constructor you have to receive that one integer value, and that integer value you have to pass into this dot n. Okay, and now this dot n is equals to n guys. Okay, and now I will overwrite hash code method guys. Okay, so we will write hash code method, we will override hash code method, and we will say hash code method, what you have to do? Okay, what you have to do, you have to return n mod 16 because initial capacity is 16. Okay, I will say because initial, okay, initial capacity is 16. Okay, for hash code. Okay, hence we are returning, okay, n mod 16 value, n mod 16 value. Got it guys? So like for example, okay, for example 16, suppose I said 31 mod 16, 31 mod 16, okay, is equals to 31 mod 16 is equals to, it will become a 15, it will become a 15. Okay, so we'll return 15. Okay, suppose I said, okay, like 33 mod 16, okay, is equals to, it will return 1 because, okay, 33 mod 16 will be 1, so hence it will return 1 guys. 1. Okay, suppose I said 50 mod 16. Okay, suppose I said 50 mod 16, so now it will return, okay, mod will be 2, so hence it will return, okay, 2. Suppose I said 55 mod 16, okay, so now its answer will be 7, hence it will return 7 guys. Got it guys? So now, so hash code will be, okay, suppose n is a 31, so now hash code will be 31 mod 16, so it will return 15 guys. Okay, so now 31 mod 16 remainder will be, okay, mod will be 15. Okay, so now it will return 15 guys. So now suppose n is a 33, so 33 mod 16 remainder will be 1. Okay, suppose n is a 50, so 50 mod 16, okay, so it will return 2 guys. So now in this video we are going to return our own hash code guys, we are going to return our own hash code. Okay, and now whenever we will print the object of this class, so I would like to, okay, my stringify version, and then in that stringify version I would like to, okay, print the value of n, like value of n, like for example value of n is 31, so now it will print 31. Value of n is 33, so it will return 33, so it will print 33. So value of n is 50, so now it will return 50 guys. Okay, so now okay, okay, let's have one, okay, one diagram, so now we can clear all this point there. Okay, now you can see guys. Okay, so now let's say this is a hash map, let's say this is a hash map. Okay, and now you can see, okay, you will see this is a hash map. Okay, and this is a key part and this is a value part guys. Okay, now here we have, like for example, okay, so then, okay, 1 2 3 4, so these are the buckets, okay, of HashMap guys. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, 11, 12, 13, and like suppose okay, so let's say guys this is a map. Okay, so now here suppose I write this is a map and these are the buckets, okay, where we will insert key and value pair elements. So here we have to write 16 buckets total. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and then we will say 15 and 16. Okay, these are the 16 buckets, guys. Okay, so now then, okay, then in this example we said 31. Okay, now we will say on the place of 31, okay, to this hash map we will say for key, okay, you have to store, okay, a 133 object and value as a string. Okay, so now then after we will say new a 133. Okay, and now we will pass 31. This 31, okay, will pass it, okay, in this and this n will store into this dot n, guys. Okay, so now in the same way new a 133. Okay, now once again we will say new a 133. Now again we will say new a 133. Okay, and now we will delete this one. Okay, and we will also delete this one, guys. Okay, so now we can enter, okay, some more entries. Like for example, suppose I said, okay, 19. Okay, or suppose I said 25. Okay, 25. So now 19 is equals to, suppose I said, okay, Satara. Okay, suppose here I said Thane. Okay, something like this case. Okay, so now, so in the first entry I said value of n is 31. So now this 31 will pass it into this dot n, guys. So now then this hash code method will return, okay, 31 mod 16. 31 mod 16 will be 31 mod 16 will be hash code. What will be the hash code for this? Okay, 31 mod 16 will be, so hash code will be 15. So now in these buckets, okay, in these buckets, okay, these are the, like for example, okay, this is, okay, the offset of this bucket is 0. Like for example 1, okay, and then 2 for this bucket, this for this bucket 3, okay, 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8. These are called to offset, guys. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, guys. Okay, so these are the buckets. So now what is the hash code of this first entry? Hash code is 15. So now this entry will get stored, okay, in this bucket, guys. Okay, so like 31, okay, 31 is equals to what we said there. What we said there? We said there 31 is equals to, we have said Nagpur there. So now, okay, you can see, okay, Nagpur. Okay, then after we said 55 is equals to Pune. So 55, what is the hash code of this? Okay, hash code of this will be hash code will be, okay, hash code will be 7. Hash code will be 7 because 55 mod 16 will be 7, guys. Okay, so now, okay, now, so that entry will get stored at here. Okay, so 55, okay, is equals to what we said. We said Pune there. Okay, we said Pune there. Now then after, okay, hash code of this, okay, 50. So now 50 mod 16 will be 2. So now, so that entry will get stored at here. 50 is equals to what we said there. What we said there, let me check. Okay, 50 is equals to, we said Mumbai. So now, okay, so entry will get stored like this. Then after, we said 10. So 16, 10 mod 16 will be, remainder will be 10. Okay, so now, okay, so 10 is equals to what we have said, 10. Okay, 10 is equals to Chandrapur. So now, okay, so Chandrapur, Chandrapur. Okay, in this way, okay, entries are getting stored, guys. So now then after 19, for 19 remainder will be 3. Okay, so now 19 is equals to, we said Satara. Okay, now then after, okay, 25, for 25 remainder will be 7. So on the place of 25, suppose I say 24. Okay, 24 is equals to Thane. Okay, so now 24 mod 16 will be, answer will be 6. Okay, so now entry will get stored at this location. 24 is equals to what we said, Thane, guys. So now in this way entry will get stored, guys. Okay, so on the base of hash code, okay, this offset will get used, guys. Okay, now whenever we will print this, whenever we will print this, okay, whenever we will print this, okay, or whenever we will run this program, so we are going to print hm. So now hm will print, okay, something like this, guys. Okay, something like this. Now it will print in this order, guys. In this order, not in this order, guys, in this order. Okay, in this order, okay, all entry will get print, guys. Okay, so now first of all, 50 is equals to Mumbai, 19 is equals to Satara, 24 is equals to Thane, 55 is equals to Pune, 10 is equals to Chandrapur, and 31 is equals to Nagpur. We can try this, guys. We can try this. We can try this. Now you can see, guys, 50 is equals to Mumbai, 19 is equals to Satara. Okay, 50, 19 is equals to Satara, 24 is equals to Thane, 24 is equals to Thane. Okay, so 24 is equals to Thane. Okay, 55, 55 is equals to Pune. Okay, 24 is equals to Thane, guys. Okay, so 24 is equals to Thane, 55, 55 is equals to Pune, 10 is equals to Chandrapur, and 31 is equals to Nagpur. Okay, now run file. 55 is equals to, so remainder will be 7. Remainder will be 7. Okay, 24 is equals to Thane. So remainder will be 8, guys. Okay, remainder will be 8 here. Okay, so sorry, we write wrong remainder there. Okay, we will delete this entry. Okay, remainder will be 8. Remainder will be 8 because 24 mod 16 will be, okay. So now 24 is equals to Thane, guys. Okay, so now in this way, okay, 50 is equals to Mumbai, 19 is equals to Satara, 55 is equals to Pune, 24 is equals to Thane, 10 is equals to Chandrapur, and 31 is equals to Nagpur. In this way, okay, entries will get printed, guys. So this is called HashMap. HashMap use, okay, HashMap use hash code for key elements. Hash code for key elements. Okay, so hence entry will get print in this order, guys. Okay, so but suppose we use link hash map. Suppose we use link hash map, guys. Okay, suppose we use link hash map on the place of, okay, link hash map, link hash map, okay, and then suppose I run this, you will see guys, okay, you will see 31 55. Okay, so insertion order it will maintain, insertion order it will maintain, because it will not use hash code. Link hash map will not use hash code, hence hence it will maintain insertion order guys. Okay, so this is all about hash map and hash code guys. This is all about hash map and hash code guys. Got it guys? So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and also share it to your friends, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one guys. Until then, happy coding guys. Thank you.